We just bought a shop from a guy named Troy. So Troy owned the shop and operated it kind of as he owns multiple businesses and was operating it, but was moving, and so needed to sell the location, so we bought it from him. He saw us come in with all of our processes set up from Hoops and Gears. Saw how we track profit, how we intend to increase sales, how we organize our inventory, how we teach our people, how the numbers and feedback loop is small. And so once Troy saw that, he said, hey man, he has a shop where he's moving to. He's already kind of bought a shop and is going to operate it. Will you help me implement Hoops and Gears there? So once he saw the way that we were doing it and the kind of profit that we can turn out, which he thought was kind of unbelievable until we showed him, he's ripe and ready to do it at his new location because he wants to be able to keep track of his people easier, make it easier to operate, and obviously produce more profit.